we're going to go over how to update attributes on a product, how to add them, how to update them, and also how to delete them. So first thing, you're going to have to go to the product that you want to update in PXM. And then you're going to, once you click on the product, make sure to click on the Attributes tab, and that's going to bring up all of the attributes that have been added to the product so far. In PXM, there are multiple different attribute types that are available. We have normal text type attributes. We also have a pick list where it gives you a list of options that you can choose from to add to the product. There is a number field that will only accept numbers, a date field that will only accept dates, and there's also a Boolean or yes or no type attribute as well in the system. So as we're going through these attributes, it's important to know what type of attribute you are trying to update, so you know what it's the option that it's going to give you. However, if you go to click edit, it will show you what type of attribute it is. So as we go in, let's just make a few changes to some attributes and see the different things that you can do in here. So year is a number attribute. If we click edit, it's going to allow us to change the year by clicking on the up or down arrow. If you click down, it's going to just move the number by 1. You can also completely delete this, and you can type in the entire year as well, if you'd like. I'm just going to keep it at 2025 for now, or actually I'm going to update 2024. The next thing you can do is you can actually move on. You'll notice that there's a save button on the right-hand side of the attribute. You can click save now, or you can move on and you can make other updates and you can save them all at the same time at the very end. Another one, so color in this instance is a pick list. So you can see there's black. We know that this product actually has, if we go to the media tab, actually has gray and orange as an option as well. Okay, I made the edit left. I'm gonna come back and make that edit again. Okay, so 2024, now we're back on our color. I'm gonna add orange and gray as options here. I'm gonna keep moving on. I'm also going to update the description. The description in this case is a text field, which means it will take any type of numbers or any values in here. So you can type in text, say this is great, exclamation mark, lots of exclamation marks. Let's just do one. And then we can move on. Okay, now there are other 2 attributes. I added them here. They are not currently on the product. If you do not have, if there's an attribute that is available, but it's not currently added on the product, you can add it by clicking add attributes down at the bottom. And it will show you all of the attributes in the system that are available that are not on the product. I'm going to select both of these and add these to the product. Okay, you can see that we can still see that we can save all of our attributes here. Okay, I'm going to change this one. So this parent field is a Boolean type. So you can change it from yes or no. And then the updated is the date field. When you click edit on this one, it will allow you to click on the calendar and you can choose the date on this as well. Once you've made all of the changes that you want to make, you can click save all, and it will save all of those attributes that you just changed in the system. Now, if you want to remove an attribute and delete it entirely from the product, you can click the 3 dots and click delete. And it will ask to confirm that you wanted to delete that attribute, and it will remove it from that product. Now, if there is one attribute, let's say the year, for example, that is going to be the same across a lot of different products, you can actually go back and select all of the products that you know will have that same year. If it's all the same, on all of these products. You can click select all on this page. And then if you click the three dots in the bottom right-hand corner, then the option to bulk edit attributes will be there. If you select that, then you can click on the drop-down, select attribute, type in year or find the attribute that you're trying to update, and now update it to the correct value. And now when we click apply, this is going to apply that to all of these attribute or all of these products.